As you design and build these systems, you begin to recognize where there might be opportunities for making it easier for the self-driving car to succeed.
Mm-hmm.
So you might ask, well, what might those things be? And I can give you one speculative thought. What if we said we should design roads so that only the self-driving cars are permitted on those roads and no human drivers? That might actually simplify the situation for the self-driving car. You might then add another idea, which is that the cars could communicate with each other. Human beings, when they're driving, don't communicate with each other very well. We give them some mechanisms for doing that, like turn signals. And we know that human beings, when they're driving, do talk to the other drivers, but the other drivers can't hear them. And it's probably a good thing that the other drivers can't hear them. But the cars, having no ego, could conceivably communicate in a very efficient, standardized way, like telling the other cars behind, I'm going to make a left turn in 100 feet, so I'm going to slow down, so don't be surprised. Or I need to change lanes now, so please everybody allow me to do that. If you know anything about aviation, you know that we have traffic controllers who are trying to help the planes coordinate and not run into each other. There are some small airports where there are no traffic controllers. And so the pilots get on a common channel. And if there are multiple aircraft in the unmanned airports, they negotiate with each other about who is going to land and who is going to take off, and they all agree. They have some consensus mechanism. So I can imagine the self-driving cars, our decision to design the self-driving cars to take advantage of some of these coordinating mechanisms, which would probably not work with humans, but it would work with the cars because we can write the software, and in theory the cars will execute the software faithfully.